Sunday, May 16th, and we are heading up to Seymour Mountain to check out the Mystery Lake Trail that goes up right under the Mystery Peak chairlift at Seymour Mountain. And we will see you there, right, Ginger? Right, Oliver, sir?
Oh, I thought you were talking to Ginger. I don't know.
Anyways, here we go. We've made it to the parking lot. They actually have a nice setup up here. A little restaurant over there. Set up patio-wise. We're at the small dam right above the parking lot. I don't know if it shows it, but it is a really beautiful blue. That ice in the water. You can now see the city down below. Made it to the lake. I'm not gonna lie, that's exhausting walking in the snow. I just have hikers on. So, on the steep parts, it's a little exhausting. Anyways, we're at the lake, and there's no one here. Definitely wishing we brought the snowboards on our backs so we could at least ride down. Can you hear the rushing water? There's like a waterfall right underneath me. Right below me, right down there. You can make out the parking lot down there. And the ocean. Abominable snowman? Nope. Who's that guy, Ginger? A little bit of a view above Mystery Lake. Well, apparently the only way to get down this way is to slide. I was going to slide down. I didn't think Ginger was going to slide down. Okay, this is going to be cold. Woo. Oh, my goodness. Refreshing. Okay. That was actually really fun. Max would love that, Ginger. We gotta bring him here. Well, Ollie still has his drone. That's a good sign. There's a lot of trees around here. Whew. Oh, where's the sled? That would be so fun. World-class skier up there. Yeah, Ollie's being one with nature apparently. Getting some water right off the rock. Oh, he's going up. Ooh, how did it taste? Glacier water. Oh, Ginger's jealous. She's like, what the heck? Whew, he got it all over him. Aw, that little guy's skiing down. You gonna take it? You gonna take the jump? Oh, he's going down. I don't know about you, but Ginger, but I think I'm going on my butt. Look at this. This is slide. Ollie! Okay, my way was way better. Oh. No. Oh, Ginger, I beat you. Ooh, look at the trail I made. Woo. That was fun.